Hey friends, today we're going to be making our flaky hash brown and egg burritos. Using minimal ingredients, Roma tomatoes, onion, eggs, hash browns, and the deli meat with some sharp cheese. Starting with our food prep, we're going to grate our cheese. Now grab as much deli as you'd like and dice them up. 2 Roma tomatoes diced. And half an onion diced as well. We're going to start to fry our hash browns and whisk our eggs. I usually use 2 eggs per person and add milk, just a little splash to give it a fluffy egg texture. Seasoning it with some Italian seasoning, a puño of salt, and some fresh ground pepper. Whisking that all together. We're going to take everything now over to the fire. Adding a few sprays of my olive oil. We're going to brown our deli meat. Add some of the onion, keeping the rest of the onion for the end as well. I'm going to whisk together the Roma tomatoes into our egg batter. Once this is nice and dried like this, we're going to warm up our fresh uncooked tortillas. I noticed that this is the best tortillas to use because it gives you that crunch that you want. It's very flaky. Adding our mayo to give it a nice little sauce. Removing our hash browns, we're going to cut this guy in half so that each and every bite will have some hash brown in it. And add our egg mix. You want to pack it in really nice. Now I'm going to add the rest of our onion. It gives it a different flavor when you don't cook it. And our cheese. Adding as much salsa as you'd like. Now you're going to firmly press it all in together, and everything that squishes out, no worries, you can add that into your next burrito. We're going to sit this on to our comal or our tortilla warmer and slowly rotate it so each side will brown. Oh, look at that as the cheese melts right out. Adding a dollop of sour cream, and there you go. That's our flaky hash brown and egg burrito. And that's what's in the fridge today.
What's